Hi everybody, Belinda here. I hope you're going to be able to hear me. I've got a whole different setup going on here with my microphone, and hopefully it's going to help. Unfortunately, I have a couple of cable issues, so they'll be hanging around. So I did this one, which I actually have not varnished yet. Hopefully you can see that there's enough light on it. This one actually looks like an orchid. It's really pretty. The colors came out amazing. So I have a heart-shaped canvas here, which is a 30.5 centimeter, and I'm going to try something a little bit different. Hopefully it's going to work, so let's just see. So what I'd like to do really is have maybe just a section of red. So I'm going to go ahead and just cover the red. Yeah, so I'm not sure why some people have sound issues apparently with my videos, so I'm told, but not everybody. So I really actually don't get that. I know I do naturally have a soft voice, so I do try and talk a little louder. Right, let me see. I probably should have done the white first. But anyway, you live and learn. So I'm just bringing that right over the edge, covering my sides. How's the side, guys? Okay, that looks good. I'm not sure if I'm seeing some doodads in here or if they're just bubbles. Just need to get all of this red off because I'm going to be reusing that for the white. Okie dokie. So I'm going to just cover the other side with the white. And hopefully I don't contaminate it now. Now I normally do this off screen, but I thought I would just show you guys. So that red is Pebeo red. It's got a very, very strange name. So don't even ask me. Don't ask me to repeat it. So I'll just go cover all this up. Make sure I've got everything covered. Oops. Come back. Maybe I do need a little bit more. Right guys, so I do want it jagged like that. Making sure all these bubbles are gone. So I just thought I would do something a little different. Right guys, so let's start. So I'm going to use let's go in with a pink first. And then I have dioxazine purple, and to the dioxazine purple I have added amethyst just to give it a bit of bling. And then I'm going to add magenta. I don't want a whole heap of colours. And then I'm going to add, this is my own bloom recipe, which you can find, I'll leave the link down below in the description. Okay, let's give this a blow. I love that. It always seems like there's too much paint, but anyway. So now I'm going to go in with the blue. That's turquoise, and this is Prussian blue. And this here is a beautiful ice blue. So it is pre-mixed already. I have just reused the bottle. Just put a little blob there. And then I'm going to burn with my recipe again. Okay. That's beautiful. Oh wow. Wow. think I'm going to blow this out just a little bit. That's better. What colors? So the third one will be here. So I think I'm going to go in with the magenta first. Put it here. And then put a little bit of the pink, just a drop. And this is B.A.D fluorescent yellow, and I really love that fluorescent yellow. Don't know guys, maybe it needs a teeny bit of blue. Okay, and then back in with my bloom recipe. Give that a blow. Wow, that is so pretty. That is gorgeous. Right. I might just blow this one out a little bit that way, because it just looks like it's too together. Yes, that looks a little bit better. Okay, now all I'm going to do is, I have 3 here, and of course you know me, I'm all about the numbers. I'm going to just put a teeny bit of white right here. Now that is just the bloom recipe. Let's see what happens. Right, I think I need a little bit more because of this section here. Just a tiny bit. Okay, that doesn't seem to be let me try one here. So I might have to take that one off. Maybe, what color? Pink? Just do a teeny drop of pink. and then another little drop. So I might redo that one, I think. It doesn't look so great. Yep, better. Much better. Okay, let's fix this one here. Let's put some yellow and another blob of the bloom. Alright, let's see what happens there. Yep, much better. Alright guys, I'm going to just clean up my edges and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Right guys, so here it is. I love the cells, the bloom effect. It's just absolutely beautiful on this. I really like that one as well. I think they all came out pretty nice. They kind of look like, with the dark around here, it kind of looks almost three-dimensional. And the same with that one as well. It's got the beautiful pinks around the edges. So hopefully you can see it. Try and get a little bit closer. Right, so then we have the white ones. I've had to touch up that a little bit because it was still quite down, it hadn't come up. So I think all in all that turned out pretty well. Anyway guys, just something a little different, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.